Today we will be showing you how to replace a tape cartridge magazine in a Quantum i40 and i80 tape library. This replacement will not require downtime. Please note that the replacement procedure for all magazines is the same regardless of their position. If you need to order a right side magazine for your i40 or i80 from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number 3-05239-02-RH. If you need to order a left side magazine for your i40 or i80 from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number 3-05239-02-LH. There are a couple of reasons that you may decide you need a replacement magazine. The first is if you start having robotics errors for a particular slot or slots and you find that tapes do not go in and out of those slots easily. The second is if you have issues unlocking the I/O station using the front panel command. Once you have the replacement magazine in hand, the first thing you will need to do is eject the faulty magazine from the library. The first way you can try and do this is by going to the front panel and using the command to unlock the side that corresponds with where the faulty magazine is located. If this is an i80, both magazines on that side will unlock with this command, but you only need to pull out the faulty one. If the robot is unable to unlock the side where your faulty magazine is located, you will need to use the emergency release for the magazine. To use the emergency release, first locate the small hole at the bottom of the faulty magazine. For the next part, we recommend a small screwdriver to get in the hole. Push the screwdriver in straight and you will feel some resistance as it engages the release. Keep pushing until the screwdriver stops and will not go any further. While still holding the screwdriver all the way in, pull the faulty magazine straight back and out of the machine. At this point, you will need to transfer all tapes from the faulty magazine to the replacement and then insert the replacement magazine fully into the library. The library will then proceed to inventory the magazine and will ensure it can calibrate to all points. Once the library is finished scanning the magazine, it will display the library main status screen on the front panel. Your library should now operate as normal. If you have any issues following the magazine replacement, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.